10 remarkable hybrid animals that actually exist. Surely you may have seen mixed-breed animals in several videos, but how would you react if you found a hybrid animal in real life? Would you run in terror? Or perhaps even consider one as a pet? If you are a pet owner, be sure to check out our partners as to how they can help you and your companion with everything from training to nutrition. Links can be found in the description below. Now let's see which of these animals you would like to play with. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be sure to tap the bell icon to get notified of all our latest uploads. Now without further delay, here's the list of 10 remarkable hybrid animals that actually exist. 10. Beefalo. The beefalo is absolutely not a natural hybrid. It's a result of experimentation done by American scientists. This hybrid was scientifically created to combine characteristics from American buffalo and domestic cattle to fulfill the demand for beef. The very first accidental crossing of the two species happened nearly 1,800 years ago. Later, they were intentionally crossbred during the 19th century. Beefalos are a fertile hybrid offspring that has received characteristics of domestic cattle, Bos taurus, and the American bison. Unlike domestic cattle, the beefalo can survive in a harsh climate with less food. It also produces meat of better quality, and certainly, it is the most favorable advantage the beef industry was looking for. Beefalo can be produced naturally or artificially, but female offspring is always found fertile, so artificial production is no longer required. 9. Zorse. Zorse, or zebrule, is a hybrid animal created by the crossbreeding of a zebra and a horse. Due to differences in geographic distribution, zebra and wild horse can't mate in the wild, so in the 19th century, they came into existence when they were bred through somatic hybridization by Charles Darwin. A zorse is a sturdy and hardy animal that has the qualities of both parents. It is mostly used for transportation of goods and people, and as a tourist attraction in zoos around the world. The popularity of the zorse was revived during the 1990s. Nearly all of the 300 known breeds of horses are used for the development of zorses today. 8. Wolfen. As the name suggests, the word wolfen comes from a whale and a dolphin. These cute-looking creatures belong to a rare crossbreed between a male false killer whale and a female bottlenose dolphin. This hybrid can breed naturally, and that's why they have been spotted in the wild. But according to a recent report, only one of them can be found now in captivity at the Sea Life Park in Hawaii. In May of 1985, a wolfin named Keikaimalu was born and was able to reproduce, resulting in 3 more little wolfins, the last born in 2004. Keikaimalu was the first wolfin who gave birth at a very young age and proved to be a fertile hybrid. Unfortunately, the calf died after a few days. In 1991, Keikaimalu once again gave birth to a daughter named Pohai Kealoha. Keikaimalu cared for the calf for 2 years, but hand-reared by trainers. Pohai Kealoha died at the age of 9. Keikaimalu gave birth to her last calf, Kawili Kai, in 2004, and as of March 2020, they both remain in captivity at the Sea Life Park in Hawaii. 7. Liger. A liger is the result of breeding a male lion to a tigress. Since lions and tigers do not exist in the same geographical areas, breeding between these species isn't known to occur in the wild. Ligers have beautiful white striped patterns on their fur that gradually fades away in different patches. The largest ligers often grow to lengths of more than 10 feet and weigh more than 850 pounds. However, there's been reports of some ligers weighing more than 2,000 pounds. Sadly, many of these cats suffer from birth defects due to their abnormal growth and usually die young, resulting in many governments and animal rights organizations viewing the breeding process that produces these animals as unethical. What do you think about the creation of ligers? Let us know in the comments section below. 6. Roller bear. Roller bear is a unique hybrid species created by the interbreeding of grizzly bears and polar bears. Even though they are a rare hybrid, in 2006, a hunter named D.G. Ishaluk shot a bear in the frigid expanse of northern Canada. He thought it was a small polar bear. Later, a DNA test confirmed that it was a hybrid naturally created by the grizzly and polar bear. Global climate changes and melting of the ice cap may play a role behind this interbreeding, as the line between grizzly and polar bear's territory has been getting blurred. The milder climate grows the grizzly territory, and the melting of ice forces the polar bears to land in search of food, thus increasing the odds for the two species to intermingle in the wild. 5. Savanna. If you are a cat lover, this is the hybrid for you. The Savanna possesses qualities such as loyalty and intelligence derived from dog species. As a large cat, they can weigh anywhere from 7 to 20 pounds. They can follow commands delivered by their owner, and they can also be trained similar to dogs, such as playing fetch and walking on a leash. This aesthetic hybrid is the offspring of a domestic cat and a serval, an African wildcat. During the end of the 20th century, Savannas became popular among breeders, and in 2001, the International Cat Association accepted it as a registered breed. Domestic cats are usually not too fond of water. However, many Savanna cats are exceptions to this, as they are known for their love of water. Don't get surprised if you find a Savanna swimming, splashing, and having fun in the water. They love it. Some even shower with their owners. 4. Comma. Though natural interbreeding can occur, humankind's intentions behind producing hybrids are usually profit-driven, and this is how the comma is no exception. The first comma came into existence in 1998 with the aim to create an animal capable of higher wool production than a llama and the more cooperative temperament of a camel. A comma is a hybrid produced by a male dromedary camel and a female llama. On January 14, 1998, at the Camel Reproduction Center in Dubai, scientists used artificial insemination to create the first offspring of comma. An adult comma weighs about 120 pounds, standing 4 feet above the ground at its shoulder. 3. Hinny. Hinnies are the offspring of a male horse and a female donkey. In comparison to a horse, they are slightly smaller and have thicker fur. Hinnies are quite similar to mules, which are the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse. Hinnies are smaller than mules because the donkey mother is smaller than a female horse, and thus the growth potential of the foal in her womb is limited. Hinnies, being the offspring of a male horse and a female donkey, are quieter in their temperament with many traits shared with donkeys, such as stubbornness, as opposed to the mule, which is more energetic like horses. 2. Zoe. Zoe is a large bovid created via the crossbreeding of yak and domesticated cattle in Mongolia and Tibet. Yaks and zoes are used as farm animals in Tibet and Mongolia. Since zoes is a result of the heterosis phenomenon, which is when positive traits are carried down by both subspecies, they are significantly stronger than their parents and larger in size. Fertile females are also named zomo. Moreover, they can produce larger amounts of milk and meat compared to cattle and yaks. In Mongolia and Tibet, it is called kanag. Kanags are believed to be more productive than cattle or yaks in terms of both milk and meat production. 1. Wolf dog. Wolf dogs are mysterious and super intriguing. According to Norma Bennett Wolf, editor for National Animal Interest Alliance, a wolf dog can be the offspring of a wolf and a dog, a wolf and a wolf dog, or the offspring of two wolf dogs. Wolves and dogs are interfertile, which means they can breed and produce viable offspring. Wolf dogs are surrounded by many controversies. Camps are divided on human influence on the hybrid. Almost everyone has a clear understanding of what a dog is and its fundamental behaviors. But, in the case of the wolf dog, many people lack the necessary understanding of wolves to handle a wolf dog. These animals share many behaviors related to their wild counterparts and should, in our opinion, be handled as such. If you have a wolf dog or are considering one, it is advisable to be alert and to make sure you're not breaking the law by owning one, as these are not animals for the faint of heart. The process of interbreeding can be part of the ecocycle, but the question is, should humans practice this for the sake of economic benefit? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know your views. If you've enjoyed this video, check out our other videos, and don't forget to tap the like and subscribe button to get notifications of all upcoming videos.